Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Practicum of Operating System Fundamental on second module. In this video, we're going to talk about OS process, VI editor, and network configuration. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Kirana Detama Ayunda, and my assistant code is RAN. Theory explanation. OS process is a program that being executed. Process is a small work unit that individually have researched and scheduled by an operating system. Process have two principles. They are independent and one program at an instant. Independent, the programs are not interdependent. One program at any instant, one program in one time. Next, status process. New, the process is being created. Ready, the process is waiting to be assigned to a processor. Waiting, the process is waiting for some event to occur, such as an I/O completion or reception of a signal. Running, instructions are being executed. Terminated, the process has finished execution. The PS command. Process status or PS is used to provide information about the currently running processes. The lack of PS command is that is not interactive. The top command. The top command used to manage Linux processes without using a GUI. The top command allows users to monitor processes and system resource usage on Linux. This command is more interactive than the PS command. Next, the kill command. The kill command can stop the process force, for example, when a process used to hide a resource. The syntax of the kill command takes the following form: kill, signal, and PID. Next, text editor. Text editor is a program or software used to edit text. Text editor are used to write lines of code, edit configuration files, and many more. Text editor are divided into two types. First, text editor using graphical user interface or GUI. The second, text editor using command line, console, or terminal. Next, Nano editor. GNU Nano is an easy-to-use command line text editor for Unix and Linux operating systems. When it comes to editing text via command line, Nano is considered one of the easiest tools to use. Though it's simple, Nano Editor packs a complete feature set. To name a few, it allows to copy, paste, select, and search text. Furthermore, there is a button bar inside the editor that shows useful shortcuts. Next, VI Editor. VI Editor is one of the text editors originally created for the Unix operating system. VI Editor itself is a fast and powerful text editor which was first developed by William Biljoy. VI Editor operation is divided into three modes. The first is command mode. When VI starts up, it is in command mode. This mode is where VI interprets any characters we type as command and does not display them in the window. This mode allows us to move through a file and to delete, copy, or paste a piece of text. Second, insert mode. This mode enables to insert text into the file. Everything that's typed in this mode is interpreted as input and finally it is put in the file. The VI always start in command mode. To enter text, you must be in insert mode. To come in insert mode, you simply type I. The third is command line mode. Command line mode have a wider range of functions in manipulating or editing the entire file. Next, can be seen on this table, we can use the command on command line mode. There are W to save file change, Q to exit VI editor, and many more. Network configuration. Network Manager Command Line Interface or NMCLI is used for controlling network manager and reporting network status. The NMCLI tool can be used to add or create new IP addresses, modify available IP addresses, and delete IP addresses. The second, Network Manager Text User Interface or NMTUI. NMTUI is a TUI application that is installed by default on CentOS, which is used to modify IP addresses on CentOS. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. If there is any question, kindly contact us online or Instagram. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.